Hello everyone, welcome to presentation on my final project of CS50 course Introduction to Programming with Python. I have developed a simple app named Personal Finance Tracker using Python. Actually, it's a console application. It have very basic functionalities like adding transactions as income or expense, also view the transactions list or by this or using the summary, and the data can be exported as PDF report as well. So let me show you the live demo of this application. Let me run the project at first place. Let me add few transactions quickly. At first, I am adding income. The amount is $1,000. Then let me add a few expense. The amount is 100. Also, again, add another expense. The category is food and the amount is 250. Let me add another expense. The category is laundry and the amount is 50. Okay, so we have a few transactions right now, and the transactions are saved in this JSON file. Okay, now we can see the balance. So our balance is 700. You can see the transaction list using 4. Here is our transactions. We can see the summary report also. Here is the summary report. So we have consumed food twice. So this is the full amount. And finally, we can export the report using option 6. Okay, the default name is report.pdf. Let use that. So here is our final report. The details and the summary report all are shown in together. So this is the simple application I have developed using Python. I have planned to develop it more so that it will be more user friendly. Thank you everyone.